This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Taryn DeRose. Gorgeous Abington model situated on a private cul-de-sac in the desirable Colonial Heritage 55+ active adult community. Welcoming entryway, open floor plan with a spacious family room featuring gas fireplace, gourmet kitchen complete with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and hardwood floors, and lovely dining area to enjoy all your family meals. Sunroom is conveniently located off the dining area for relaxation and enjoyment. The spacious primary suite offers a ceramic tile bath with oversized walk-in shower and 2 separate closets. 2 additional bedrooms located on the first level for overnight guests or optional office space if desired. Lower level features a spacious den, additional bedroom, office and climate-controlled walk-in storage. Rear oversized deck and private wooded conservation area is the icing on the cake for this gorgeous home, which is complete for all your entertaining needs. Do not let this amazing home get away. For more information,